In this video, we'll go through the Excel import template for the BOM header. The BOM header is one of half part of the BOM. It is BOM header and BOM lines, and they have to be imported separately. So first we import the BOM header, and we have only 4 fields in the BOM header we have to import. If the fields are marked with red, it is a minimum requirement or mandatory field. And if it has a gray background, it means it looks into an underlying table. First we have the number, which will be the number of the BOM. We have a description. We have the unit of measure code, and it's an underlying table, so we can, in the lookup values, see what we can look into. As well, here you can see the status, which is the next field in the import. But let's go back to the import template, and we have the status field. Note that all my BOM headers here is marked with status new, although in the lookup values I can choose between new, certified, undeveloped, and closed. But when you import the BOM header, you need to have new at the start, because if you are under development or you are certified, you cannot import your BOM lines. So it has to be status new. And then after importing your BOM lines, you can go back to your BOM header and you can import with the correct status. All that is also explained on how to use this template.